Hello guys, welcome to my channel My Creation by Aditya Ajmera. Let's start with our topic noise pollution. Definition of noise pollution. Sound that is unwanted or disturb one's quality of life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. Sound becomes undisable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. Sources of noise pollution. Sources of noise pollution are transportation systems are the main source of noise pollution in urban areas. Construction of buildings, highways, and streets cause a lot of noise due to the uses of air compressors, bulldozer loaders, dump trucks, pavement breakers, airplanes, etc. Health, health effect of noise pollution. Noise pollution impacts millions of people on a daily basis. The most common health problem it causes is noise induced hearing loss. Exposure to loud noise can also cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, and stress. These health problems can affect all age groups, especially children. Noise control measures. Elimination. Elimination is a process that eradicates the noise source. It is the most effective way to prevent risk to workers and should always be considered when introducing a new work process, selecting new work equipment, and designing the layout of the workstations. Noise reduction steps. The steps that must be taken in order to effectively and efficiently control the noise in workplace are identify the sound sources, vibrating sources, and aerodynamic flow. Second, identify the path of the noise from the source to the worker. Third, determine the source of sound level of each source. Fourth, stop that sound to reduce noise. Thank you.